welcome to the mix. And on the mix today, we have Tina. Now, Tina is speaking about herself. She's talking about getting to 50 and how it feels. She's also speaking about, the different pains that she would, generally have and the transition in period to becoming 50, how it is on her path. She asked also some of her audience or followers, about the situation that they're having as they transition into older age, which, we still don't call them older age because it's a transition. And these people nowadays are even younger than our mothers or, our great grandmothers back in the days because they're keeping up, with themselves and such. So, exercising, doing, different stuff. It's a new age. So we're finding that. But she's talking about the different issues that she has. Someone would have mentioned basically that as you grow older, um, the nesting period or, having family and friends around sometimes. That's a bit strenuous because your kids are all grown up and they leave and whatever. So she was saying, and they were talking about, men. And Tina had this to say about why she's still single. And so go catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy, happy birthday. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovely supporters, my friends, my followers, my family, whoever you want to call me, have yourselves a beautiful day. And we only have one life to live, so we have to keep living it. Now, as we grow older, there's different changes. There are different changes in our lives, and we may experience or go through different phases. Some of us may have, a little pain here and there. Some of us, we see the physical changes in our bodies. But as we grow older, we have to ensure that we're taking care of ourselves. We're investing more in our bodies, to make sure that we're well kept. Going to our doctors, checking out, little things, to ensure that our vehicle keeps moving every day. So guys, go catch the video now and have yourselves a wonderful day.
For the past like 4 or 5 years, it has been me where it's just like everybody's just grown and nobody has time for you at all. And this is where you get a companion, whether a dog or a cat or a partner, you get a companion at this age to kind of keep you company and keep you happy so that you're not alone. Yeah. But it's so hard finding somebody now because everybody wants an opportunity, and I find that a lot of these men, they don't really have much. They don't have much, and they want to be a part of your household, and they're not bringing anything to the table at all. That's what I'm seeing out there, especially in my age group. A lot of them are like that. The ones who are very presumptuous. Yeah, the ones who are very in your face. They don't have anything to bring to the table but their dicks. You know what I mean? They're nothing. And when you get to my age, I don't think that's important. At that point, you need somebody with personality. You need somebody to still help pay the bills, because as much as you're getting older, you still have bills to pay, right? You still have bills to pay. So that's just how I feel. They just want somewhere to come and catch up on where them can get sex and where them can eat food, and somebody prepare food for them, and them feel like you have money, and them not want to get up and go work because them feel like you have money, and they think that sex will suffice. And nah, that's in my 30s or maybe my 20s, when you can come and dip me down and then I'll get head over heels for you and stuff like that. It ain't like that now in my upper 40s. No, keep that. Yeah. Them I look for somebody to latch on to, somebody who can prepare their meals and stuff like that. I don't understand, right? How could you be a man and be okay with just living off of people? Like, something in your adult, like you know, you don't know not to do those things. Like, how could you be a man and want that for yourself? Like, you don't aspire to have your own money or your own things. You just kind of scout out women, and when you scout these women out, you realize that, oh, she lives on her own, let me go and nice her up. And you know what I mean? How do y'all do that? I mean, I understand, you know. I don't know, it's kind of weird, really weird how men let themselves go like that, you know. And I just don't feel like any adult should be in my bed and not contributing to bills. I am not going to be that woman. I mean, I won't say I won't buy my man something or something like that. I would. But to come out and be his mom, giving him money, doing things, nah. You know, I saw on TikTok where you have women working and giving their paychecks to these men, right? And the men then end up take out what them want, take out and give to them. So they're going to work daily, and when they get paid, they give their paychecks to their significant other. You know, it's not like it's their husband, it's their man. You know, them give them paychecks for their man, then put in extra overtime for their man. Like, why? I don't know. You know, I am not that lonely, Sonny. I'm not that lonely. No, I enjoy my peace. Yes, they give their paychecks, lovely. They give their paychecks to their man with them do it and stuff like that, just because them no want a man leave. Me not do them something there. Nope, I'm not doing it. I don't see myself doing it. I don't mind, like, you know, if we pay and you pay, you know, because you live in a household, you have to take, you know, you do this one, you this one there, you this one there. I don't mind with that. You know, but he has to be doing something. If it's even to buy the groceries, if it's even to pay the little Con Ed bills and the groceries and stuff like that, and he has to be doing something. I don't understand how men nowadays just most of them, the ones that are presumptuous, just don't want to do nothing. They don't want to contribute nothing, don't want to do nothing. You know, gone are the days when men used to give a bag of money. Them not getting a bag of money no more. Them money are like, that's why I stay by myself. I stay by myself, because the minute them hear where you live, or them come see your apartment and them say, oh, yeah, I live, and them say nah, no man and stuff like that, you know, they want to get comfortable, they want to come and tell you their sad story, and nah. You know, some of relationships that you've had, some of you have had relationships for years and years and years. Stick to that evil that you know. Don't leave that relationship and go to anybody else, because some of them don't. Very few right now I give my woman things. Can you imagine? I saw one say she buy prostitutes for the man to make him happy. Nah, I ain't doing that. That's nasty. I don't want nobody else energy for rub on me, no, so that's nasty. I ain't doing that. I ain't doing that. That's nasty. Not buy no damn prostitute for no man. Cause fly high, fly low, them still are gonna left you when a time come. They think so them are gonna remember, say. They think they're gonna remember that they gave you prostitutes. They're not gonna remember that they gave you gave them prostitutes when, you know, they're not gonna remember. They're gonna cheat. That's who they are. It's not gonna stop anything. Unless you find a really weird one who just doesn't want to cheat. It's not in this interest anymore to cheat. That type of thing. You know. Yeah. You get me? You have some men out there, it's not in their interest to cheat, you know. But the good ones are far and few. And since I'm not finding him yet, I just sit down and chill. And I'm a nice little peace, my little zen. You know. I'm a zen right now. I not pick up no man. I not be like some Jamaican woman where pick up the man them and I mind them. I'm not gonna do that. No. You know, I'm not gonna mind no man. I not be no Google for no man. No, you're gonna do. You're gonna pay some bills in here. My pocket is strained. You know, my bills are extensive. You're gonna do something. You understand me? Worse, I have everything for your comfort. You don't have to go to the laundromat to do laundry. You don't have to do a lot of things. You have have a driveway where you can actually drive and park and stuff like that. No, you're gonna do something. You're gonna do something, which is why people, a lot of men get intimidated by certain types of women. All me, them get intimidated by me because they know I'm noble. I'm not for the bullshit. I will not give no man a penny. Nope. He's an adult just like me. Make him go to go work. Make him go to go work. Because it's time for me to focus. It's time for me to focus now. I have a lot to do in the coming months and in the coming weeks. You know, especially September. You know, September is going to be a busy month. I have a few dresses to buy, guys, but I don't even have the energy. But I have a couple of dresses to buy. I have a black dress to buy and I have a white dress to buy. Maybe I just wear all white. You know, I'm gonna like wear black gowns. Where can I go to get some nice gowns? You know, when I say gowns, I'm not talking about, it doesn't have to be the bling bling stuff. I'm talking about nice things that are not too expensive. Because I have I have 3 gala events to attend in the month of September. 3 gala events. And I need some nice dresses. And I'm looking and looking and I can't find any. Some more time I sit on my laptop and I look and I'm just like, but just close it down and go about my business. If not, I'm just gonna make somebody make my dress. You understand? But just like I make somebody make something for me, especially for Canada. The gala coming up in Canada, the award show coming up in Canada. I want to wear something amazing for that particular event. And I need websites. If not, if I can't find a website to give me a dress, I'll probably go get something made, especially for the Canadian award show. You know, because that's out of town and, you know, you're coming from New York and stuff. You have to make sure you look good. You know, people where I come from New York, I go in other countries or stuff like that. You have to go there and make a statement, right? It's like going to Jamaica. When you're traveling to Jamaica, you're not going to travel to Jamaica look no regular way. Well, me, that is. I don't know about anybody else, but like for me, when I go to Jamaica look regular because I'm from here, right? It's the same idea like when you're going to Canada. I don't want to go to Canada looking regular. I met the Canadian, them come out dress me, and me I come from New York. I want to look nice like the Canadians them too. You know what I mean? I want to look like a New Yorker. Like, yes, I want to make a statement, you know. Plus, I'm not too hard for fix up, you know. All you have to do a fling on a wig for me, I'm good to go. I'll probably get something made. You know, I don't wear pink gowns a lot. I wonder if I wear pink, go Canada. You know, I'm going to do a vlog about dresses. Right, I'm going to see if I can use the time because I have some downtime now. I'm going to use the time and just like, I'm going to use the time and go to some like gown places. Where are the gown places? Where are the dress places? You know what I mean? I mean, I like the look of bling bling with the stone pan them. I mean, I really like them things there. If you notice, I only one dress I have like that, and it's the dress that I wore to the it's the dress that I wore to an event earlier this year, Milk and Honey, and that was like a last minute, last resort type of dress. You know, I don't really like those bling bling things. I don't like those things. You know, I am just a plain girl. I like solid colors. Like if I'm wearing a dress, I love it to be a solid pink or a solid yellow or a solid, you know, I don't like busyness on my dress. Because I feel like if the dress is a statement piece, why do I need all of this bedazzled stuff to kind of throw it off? You know, I'm not really like that. So I need something that's like really stylish. What do you mean no pink? Pink goes so well with my skin. I don't want to wear black. No, I think the Canadian theme is black and gold, I think. Mighty God. I think it's black and gold. or red and red. I think it's red. So I'll probably have to wear a red dress. I think it's red and gold. That's the theme. Oh boy. Let me Google it. I think it's red. The BFBG Awards, I think it's red. I think it's red. I am super excited. You guys want to see? Let me show you. Right? Pardon the... I think it's red. Right? Wow. I think it's red. You know what I mean? Yeah. Oh boy, hold on. I Google it and it come up. Okay, here it is. Right? I think it's red. Ooh! Guys, look at this. What do you see? You want me to show it to you? Let me show you. I'm so happy. I'm proud of myself. Hold on, guys. Oh my God. I'm so proud of me. I'm so proud of me. Look at that. What do you see? What do you see, guys? What do you see? Oh my God. Look. So they got Air Canada and other sponsors there. And of course, Tina Chin Cakes is there. Yes. Can you imagine? Look at me right near the Air Canada. Look for my good self. Look for good girl. Look for good girl. I'm proud of myself, man. Oh my God. Look for good girl. Canadians, please go and buy your tickets. Yes. And then look at these. They have others there too. You know, they got a Hilton Hotel. They got Levi's. They got all these other people. Oh my God. I'm so proud of myself, guys. But not lie. Tina Chin is a brand. I am so excited. Yes, I'm really excited. And yes, I'm really excited. The Black Fashion and Beauty. It's a fashion and beauty gala, you know, guys. Yes, my dear.